Hi, I'm Justin Ross, Global Business Development Director here at Orscheln Products. Today we're going to be talking about redundant mechanical aircraft systems. Redundant aircraft controls are systems that you really don't want to know about. These are systems there as a backup to the primary operating system. They're deployed when the primary system has a problem and the redundant or backup system can be used to restore normal operating function. Some of the most common emergency or redundant systems that we design and manufacture here at Orscheln include emergency landing gear release, ram air turbine, emergency oxygen, emergency braking, and emergency fuel shutoff. These systems and assemblies are a combination of multiple parts, and obviously having experience across a wide variety of those parts and components means when they come together in assembly, we can offer something that fulfills customer requirement. Orscheln has a dedicated engineering team working on redundant mechanical systems. The team will work closely with the customer to review specifications, spatial requirements, loads, and then come up with a design fit for function and purpose, and following strict QMS and AS9100 guidelines to deliver that product. If you have a need for a redundant mechanical aircraft system, including a full qualification plan from concept, design, through to manufacture and supply, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you.